Hey guys, so this is our Moroccan apartment, Airbnb. It looks very Moroccan, the way the sofas are, the whole living room, I really like it. And we have a really nice view to the city. And we also have a couple of balconies in the rooms. I'll show you guys. This is one of the bedrooms. Very Moroccan like, with the colors and everything, and the curtains. So this is the balcony. So we're only here for a couple of hours, so we're gonna leave now because we're gonna go and check out the Medina, the beautiful temple that they have out here with the beautiful Moroccan architecture. And we're gonna get some breakfast first and then head to the airport. Hopefully we're able to do all that. Okay guys, so here we have our starters for our breakfast here in Morocco. The coffee looks promising, like it's good. Hopefully it is. Hey guys, I just wanted to mention that the croissants out here are to die for. Way better than the ones in Italy. Just listen to this. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh my god, they're so amazing. They're way better than the ones in Italy. It must be because they have like a big French influence out here. But it's really good. My coffee's really good. The orange juice is fresh and squeezed. We got yogurt here. This is a typical Moroccan breakfast. Olives, which reminds me a little bit of the one in Turkey. The Turkish breakfast, this jam here. Well, apparently this is a French breakfast, but French breakfasts don't include olives or jams like that. It reminds me a lot of Turkey. So this is, I guess, a mix of French with Moroccan type of breakfast. Hey guys, so this place was actually really good. I said it's cat approved. The breakfast was delicious, and the croissants, I felt like I was in France for a second. I love the croissants. They were amazing, way better than the ones we've tried in Italy. They reminded me a lot of the ones in Paris that I had last time. Amazing, I love them. So this place is definitely cat approved. I'm not leaving the name because it's kind of difficult to find this place. We just happened to come across it, but I'm pretty sure almost all around you'll be able to find croissants that are similar to the ones in here, because they have such a big French influence here in Morocco. So we're on our way to the Hassan Mosque here in Casablanca, which is supposed to be the 7th largest and the largest in all of Africa, functioning mosque in all of Africa. So we're gonna go there and sightsee because the architecture is supposed to be very beautiful, and I thought it'd be something really pretty to show from here, from Casablanca. So I'm going to be showing you guys a full detailed tour of Hassan Mosque because it's a very beautiful place to see, and I highly recommend that you check it out when you guys go to Casablanca. Prices to come in are $13 and children are free to enter. Hassan Mosque is a modern and massive tribute to the former king of Morocco. The beautifully blends traditional Moorish architecture with 20th century innovation. Although it is the only 7th largest mosque in the world, Hassan II claims the title of having the largest minaret in the world. Hey guys, so the architecture here is very beautiful. All the details and design they took to build this place, it's very beautiful. I can see why, because it cost about $400 to $7 million to build this place. Very expensive, but I mean, I guess it makes sense. This is the largest functioning mosque in all of Africa and 7th largest in the world. Very beautiful. Hey guys, so we really enjoyed our tour at the beautiful mosque, the Hassan Mosque in Casablanca. Now we're at the Medina and we're gonna do some shopping, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, what you can expect when you come out here to Morocco at the Medina. The Medina is another word for bazaar, where they just sell a lot of goods, a lot of stuff that, you know, that is made here in the country. Bazaars is mostly used a lot for like Arabic countries, but out here in Morocco they use the Medina a lot, but I think in Arabic countries too.
Restaurant Moroccan? Wait.
So this I highly recommend. If you come to Morocco, buy this because they're so beautiful and they're actually very budget friendly. They're 100 dirhams, which is like 10 bucks, and you can buy a set. And they're just so beautiful, you know, to have tea if you enjoy tea or have as decoration in your house. I have these at my house and I have them as decoration. Hey guys, one thing I like about walking and shopping in the Medina is that, as you can see, there's kind of like a roof, so it's not outside and you're under the shade, and it feels really breezy in here. And another thing I wanted to say is that when you're walking in the Medina, you're gonna smell something that smells bad, like it smells nasty, like bird poop. And that's because here's where they make original leather. All the leather is made out here, so they use pigeon poop to ferment it, to ferment the leather, to give it its color. So that's how that's why it smells really bad out here.